Traders, listen up. Our analysis has been spot on again. And Crepe just proved why watching key levels is so important. Let's break it down. We are back on Crepe, and if you missed our previous analysis, make sure to check the link in the description because the setups we discussed then are still playing out beautifully. In that breakdown, I highlighted a support level that had been tested multiple times. Every time price returned to this support, it showed a strong rejection, which is exactly what makes a support level high value. I emphasized that this zone was a great area to look for buy entries, and I also explained that if the level didn't hold and instead broke, we would wait for a retest before considering a sell. As price came back to this support level, it nearly respected it perfectly, leaving just a few pips before bouncing upward. This is a great example of how not every day gives you a perfect trading entry, and that's okay. Missing an entry is part of trading. What matters is managing your emotions and sticking to your plan, because the market will always give another opportunity. Looking at the current chart, Crepe is still in an uptrend, forming a series of higher lows and higher highs. What's even more interesting is that a new support level has now formed, which has already been respected multiple times. Each time price returned to this level, it reacted strongly with bullish momentum, proving that buyers are actively defending it. So here's what we are watching closely next. If price comes back to this new support level around 0.31 and forms a clear bullish candlestick, something showing buyer strength like a pin bar, bullish engulfing, or strong rejection wick, then that becomes our confirmation to look for a buy entry from that level to the upside. But if the market does not respect this support and instead breaks below it, then the support has failed. In that case, we patiently wait for the retest of the broken level. And if the retest forms a bearish candlestick, that becomes our setup to sell from there downward. This approach keeps us disciplined and aligned with market psychology. Support levels are not just lines on a chart. They represent where buyers step in, where liquidity sits, and where the battle between bulls and bears plays out. When a level holds, the uptrend continues. When a level breaks, market structure can shift, and the smart trader adapts accordingly. In summary, Crepe is still in an uptrend, and the newly formed support level has already proven its strength by being respected multiple times. If price returns to this support and respects it, we look for a buy. If it breaks, we wait for the retest and look for a sell. Discipline and confirmation are what separate profitable trades from impulsive decisions. Traders, what do you think? Will Crepe respect this new support and continue its uptrend? Or will sellers break it and shift the momentum downward? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Alright traders, that's the full breakdown on Crepe. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next analysis.